Strong magnitude 5.5 earthquake, Vanuatu Islands on Monday 1 March 2021 3:29 am GMT+0. Local time at epicenter, Monday 1 March 2021 3:29 am GMT+0. Magnitude, 5.5 depth, 10.0 kilometers epicenter latitude, longitude 13.17 degrees south, 166.51 degrees east, Vanuatu, nearest volcano, Ureparapara, 96 kilometers, 60 miles. Primary data source, GFZ, German Research Center for Geosciences. Estimated released energy, 1.1 by 1013 joules, 3.12 gigawatt-hours, equivalent to 2,682 tons of TNT or 0.2 atomic bombs.